Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to analyze gold key levels for your gold trading. So you can see the yesterday break this candle and go to the upside price, and 1978 1980 is the price now. So if you are joined with my Telegram group now, you are profit from the gold trading. So yesterday we are buy from the 1963 levels and already got the 200 pips. So Telegram link is below for your gold trading signals. Join with it. You can see this technical picture. This is left side is support, and you can see the right side is resistance, double bottom like a pattern, and price is now. You can see the circle of yellow color line 1980 78 level. Is now price is technically is the key zone key level. So today I am going to analyze key levels to how to trade with gold with non-farm employment change is in today economic data. So you can see the three economic in today's evening New York session. Non-farm employment change is 253k is the previous figure. Fed is forecast to expect figure is 993k to Fed is forecast is to drop the figure. So you are confusing, most gold traders are confusing and losses gold trading because of they don't know is the economic data what is going on. Only technicals we can't trade goals. You need technical analysis, should know, but you need to combine with the economic data. So this figure non-farm employment change is actual figure is above 193k but below 253k. That's the actual figure. You can understand what I am telling. Actual figure above 93k, below 243k. Between that figure is the actual figure. That is the slow labor data market moving in dollar, US dollar. That is not positive for labor data, US dollar, and it is affected to demand gold. And you should forecast this is the more volatile rate, average hourly earning and unemployment rate. So yesterday unemployment claims was increased to 232k. That will be affected to today's unemployment rate. Unemployment rate will be increased. The Fed is forecast 3.5%, previous figure 3.4%. The actual figure will be 3.5. That's the not positive data, labor data for US dollar, and gold get the demand as well. And you should forecast this data average hourly earnings. Average a more volatile economic data, it is that's 0.5% is previous and forecast 0.3%. So average hourly earnings will be dropped. That will be the demand of gold. This is the labor market moving slowly with the yesterday's figures. Yesterday's economic data indicates for these figures that what I am telling not positive for US dollar, that will affect to gold break this key level like this. Gold break this key level and retest and go to the upside. So this is your first target will be in this zone. This is the zone of your first target. 2005 is the target that will be affected with this economic data. You can see the technically gold in a key level, this support, this resistance, double bottom, and the price is in the key zone with the technically analysis. But these figures are positive for US dollar, that the gold will sell from this level like this. Gold will sell from this retest and sell. So that the very key zone is price technically, but this break this key zone is affected economic data with affected today's New York session. Very volatile economic data. So that's the key zone. 1978, 1980 is the price. Is the negative slow moving market affected to the economic data? That's the break this trend line and price move to the upside again to the 2000 is the next level target. This is the target. This left side resistance support will be resistance in here in 2005 level. 2005 level. This left side support will be resistance. So break this and go to the upside with the economic data. So you should forecast with the economic data accurate goal signals in my Telegram link. Join with the link below. So get the money management well and touch with economic data. So thank you very much.